Welcome to my channel, Mindful Moments. In this channel, we have contents on mathematics. Let's look into the questions. Evaluate 998 square using the polynomial rule. So we can write 998 as a 998 square we are solving. So the 998 can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole square, where I use a minus b whole square. So I get a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a being 1000 and b being 2. So the answer goes 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square. 1000 square forms 1 followed by 6 zeros minus 2 to the 4000 plus 4. So it is 10 lakh. In 10 lakh, when 4000 goes, it is 9 lakh 96,004. This is the answer. So the next question can be $297 into 303. Let me look at the question. It's 297 into 303. So here 297 can be written as 300 minus 3, and 303 can be written as 300 plus 3. So I can see this question in the form of a minus b multiplied with a plus b. The identity for this will be a square minus b square. So the answer of 300 plus 3 and 300 minus 3 will be 300 square minus 3 square, which is 9 followed by 40 minus 9. So the answer will be in 90,000. When 9 goes, it will be 89,099. There was one more question there. That will be 1.02 minus 0.98 square. 1.02 square minus 0.98 square. Here again, this is in the form of a square minus b square, which I can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, this a square minus b square will be written as 1.02 plus 0.98 into 1.02 minus 0.98. So when I do addition, I get 2 with the first bracket, and in the second bracket 1.02 minus 98 will be 0.04. You can cross check with subtraction. So 2 times 0.04 is 0.04. 0.08 is the answer. The second question, find the value of x square plus y square if x plus y is 12 and xy is 14. Let's use the identity x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Therefore, x plus y whole square will be 12 square, that's going to be x square as it is, plus 2 into, in place of x square I can write 14 plus y square. So 12 square is 144 is equal to x square plus 28 plus y square. To solve the value of x square y square, I can subtract 28 on both the side is equal to x square plus y square. Hence my last line will be 144 minus 28, that is 114, 116 is x square plus y square. Find the value using the algebraic formula 93 into 94 and 704 square. 93 into 94 can be written as 100 minus 7 into 100 minus 6, where I can use the formula x plus a multiplied with x minus plus b, which is x square plus a plus b times x plus ab, which I can simplify as 100 is x square, 100 square plus 100 minus 7, 100 minus 6, minus 7 minus 6 times x, which is 100, plus ab is minus 7 multiplied with minus 6. Hundred plus minus 7 multiplied with minus 6, so which is 10,000, minus 13 into 100 minus 1300, minus into minus plus 7 6 are 42. So the final answer is 10,000 minus 1,300, 9,000, 8,742. I'll read the next question. Find the value of x square plus 1 by x square if x plus 1 by x is 3. When I have if x plus 1 by x is 3, x plus 1 by x is 3. Let me square it on both the sides. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab will be 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to right side, it is 3 square. So x square plus 1 by x square, x cancels the x, plus 2 is 9 So simplifying, that will be x square plus 1 by x square, subtracting 2 on the other side, it's 9 minus 2, 7 is the answer. By division, show that x minus 1 is factor of x cube minus 1. So division, they are saying for take x minus 1 dividing x cube minus 1. So my first quotient is x cube by x, I get x square. So x square is the first quotient. So there I will get x square minus 1 into x square minus x square. So that subtraction will give me x cube cancelled, minus will turn to plus, it's x square minus 1. So my second quotient is x square by x should be x. So the second quotient is x, where I get x square minus x. So there I get 0 again, this becomes plus. So I have an x here minus 1. So my last quotient is 1. So I get x minus 1 and the remainder goes 0. So by division, I obtained the remainder 0. So I can show, I proved that so x minus 1 is factor of x cube minus 1. Therefore, x minus 1 is factor of x cube minus 1. Find the remainder if the polynomial x square minus 4 is divided by a linear polynomial x minus 2. Answer for this will be, let x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is 2. So the polynomial p of x will become p of 2, which means x square minus 4 can be written as 2 square minus 4. So I find 4 minus 4, that's equal to 0. Hence, we proved, hence we show that x minus 2 is factor of x square minus 4. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching the video.